12 a.m., the timer started ticking louder. I'm a sophomore sharing a tiny two-bedroom with Mark, and we have one kitchen timer that does double duty. A beep for boiled pasta and a test tone for the fire alarm. Every night we set it, then raced to the sink. At 11:58 the timer buzzed, but Mark, half asleep, shrugged and left the burner on. A thin gray haze curled from the pan, spreading across the cabinets. I slapped the timer off, assuming the beep was our cooking alarm, but the light on the wall flickered and the building's fire alarm chirped. The buzz had been the fire alarm test mode, not our timer. The smoke alarm shrieked, the sprinklers sputtered, and the whole floor evacuated. By the time the test ended, the kitchen was a damp mess. 12 a.m., the timer stopped, and I left,